Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Kids on the Coast. It's a lovely morning today. I'm at a different spot. I'm at 20 at the moment. Checking to see if I can get any shed. The news were that there was shed action happening here at 20, so we're just going to have a look and see if there's any shed coming out. So stay tuned, and if the shed is happening, you're going to be the first ones to see it. I'm also going to be putting out a live bait. Hopefully we can catch a nice game fish. I'm hoping for a garrick or a kingfish, but any big fish will do. So let's wait and see. As you can see, there are some anglers on the rocks there. They are currently trying for shad. They did get some shad yesterday, so we're just hoping to see what's the story. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be giving you all the latest updates. Okay guys, I've got a live bait rod out at the moment. I've got a live mullet out, so let's wait and see. I'll keep you updated as we continue fishing to see if we get anything. I'm fishing with 3 other guys at the moment. There's 2 other live bait rods also out there. So let's wait and see. Water looks good. So far we haven't seen any shad come out. We're just being patient. Tide is pushing. High is at 9. Now it's 20 past 8. Let's check on our live bait. We've got 2 that's alive. This one is pretty lively. I'll do a video on how I normally pin these live baits and I send them out. Yeah. Hey guys, I don't know if you can see this. I'm trying to get a clear view. So this is basically one of the setups that I make for a live bait. I use a smaller hook that's attached to a bigger hook, and I'll use a smaller hook now to pin the mullet, the live mullet, and I'll cast him out this time. So yeah, there's my livey. You can see I'm gonna put him in front, not too deep. Just there. That's it. I'm ready to go. is out. Let's wait and see if we get a bite. Guys, the ocean looks good. We just need now the live bait rod to bend. You know we're on. We'll just wait and stay tuned. Giving you guys some action. Let's see what happens. Still trying, guys. Let's wait and see, maybe we'll get something. There was one garrick that came out at Margate Pier this morning on a Rapala, and also small little salmon, around 3 or 4 shad. So the fish are coming. There should be a little tension. Guys were getting shad here yesterday at 20 rocks.